Hi students, this is my 6th video on circles. So today's concept is pole. Today's concept is pole. The pole of line with respect to a circle. Pole of line with respect to a circle. Let us take line equation is Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 here. General equation of line is Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, and circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Standard form of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. From this, x square plus y square minus r square is equal to 0. First, we find the equation of polar. The equation of polar is, already we have discussed in previous video. Equation of polar is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Most important formula for 2 marks, and the same formula is applicable for 3 concepts. And the first concept is equation of tangent, and equation of polar equation, also chord of contact. So the same formula is applicable for 3 concepts. First one is equation of tangent, and equation of polar, and a chord of contact. So here S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0. From this, xx1 plus yy1 minus r square is equal to 0. Let us suppose this equation 1, and it's a equation 2. From 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2 here, from 1 and 2 implies here x coefficient is x1 divided by, from equation 1, x coefficient is L, which is equal to y coefficient is y1 by, in equation 1 y coefficient is m is equal to constant minus r square, here the constant is n. From this, equating these two will get a x1 value, and equating these two will get y1 value. Implies x1 by L is equal to minus r square by n. Implies x1 is equal to minus L r square by n. And equating these two, we get y1 by m is equal to minus r square by n. Implies y1 is equal to minus mr square by n. Hence, the pole of line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with respect to a circle x square plus y square minus r square is equal to 0 is pole of line with respect to x square plus y square minus r square is equal to 0 is x1 comma y1. Here x1 is minus lr square by n comma y1 is minus mr square by n. This is the pole of standard form of a circle. Next, note, this is the pole of standard form of a circle. This is standard form of a circle. What about general form of a circle? The pole of general form of a circle is, note this point, general form, pole of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the pole of line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with respect to a circle, general form of a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is this is for a standard form of a circle, and this is a general form of a circle is minus g plus L r square by Lg plus mf minus n, comma, minus f plus here r square, here it is a mr square. Denominator is same for both coordinates, Lg plus mf minus n. This is the pole of a standard form of a circle. Pole of general form of a circle. For example on this, find the pole of x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 with respect to a circle, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Is the general equation of a circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here comparing with the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2g is x coefficient minus 4 and 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 12. Then g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to 3, c equal to minus 12. Now find the pole. Here the pole is minus g, minus of, and this is comparing with lx plus my plus n. Here L is equal to 1, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 here. So minus g, minus of, here g is minus 2 plus L r square. L is nothing but 1. This is comparing with Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. I am writing here L is equal to 1 and m is also 1 and n is equal to 2. Now L r square 1 into r square is, r is nothing but radius. What is the radius for general form of a circle? G square plus f square minus c. Then r is equal to under root g square 4 plus f square 9 minus c, minus of minus 12. Then r is equal to 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12 25. Root 25 is 5. Therefore r is equal to 5. Now L r square, L is 1 into r square. R square is 5 square divided by Lg, 1 into g minus 2 plus mf, m is 1 into f 3 minus n 2, comma, minus f is 3 here plus mr square, m1 into r square is 5 square divided by, same denominator is same for both coordinates, Lg plus mf minus n, Lg plus mf minus m, L into g, 1 into g is minus 2 plus 1 into 3, m into f, 1 into 3 minus n minus 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus 2, 5 square 25 divided by, here minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, comma, minus 3 plus 25 by, here also same, minus 2, here minus 2, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2, plus into minus 25, so minus 3 minus 25, so 2 minus 25 minus 23, minus 3 minus 25 minus 28. This is the pole of a general equation of a circle. Now next concept is conjugate points. Now if P x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle x square plus y square, s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is S12 is equal to 0. Here P and Q are conjugate points, that is P lies on the polar of Q, Q lies on polar of P. Here S12 is equal to 0. S12 is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 by 2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of conjugate points. Next one is conjugate lines. Conjugate lines. Here lines are, first line is L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equal to 0 and L2x plus N2y plus N2 is equal to 0 are conjugate lines with respect to the circle. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is. Here these two lines are the conjugate lines with respect to the general equation of a circle is r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 of L2G plus M2F minus N2. These are the conjugate lines. Note, the same lines are same or conjugate to each other. Here with respect to the standard form of a circle, same lines I am taking here. L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal to 0 are two conjugate lines with respect to each other. Two lines are conjugate to each other with respect to a standard form of a circle. X square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0 is x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0 is a square of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to N1 N2 N2. Here a square is a radius, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to N1 N2. This is the condition for conjugate lines with respect to the standard form of line. This is the conjugate lines with respect to a general equation of a line. This is the general equation of a line, the standard form of a circle, the general equation of a circle. That is the difference between these two.